Tried so hard and got so far.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is indeed your girl Tim McPherson. If you're new here, feel free to subscribe to my channel if you like what you see, but if you're oldie but a goodie, welcome back. So guys, as you can already see from the title, I'm going to be doing a wig review on a 30-inch straight 13 by 4 lace frontal wig. Okay, so this wig, y'all, listen, this wig, it's exhausting because I had to wait a really long time because they sent it to the wrong address, so I had to wait until they could actually find this wig. But regardless, I got it and it's true to length and everything. This company is called Yuan Hair, YUAN, on Aliexpress, and the customer service was really good because, you know, the back and forth talking, it was really good. They responded to every single one of my messages. But then I started getting concerned when the update said that it was delivered, but I didn't get it, you understand? So I was a bit worried, you know, but it's all sorted out now. But, you know, next time please send it to the right address, okay? So yeah, apart from it taking a very long time to get to me, I mean, it's okay. It's okay. I think I paid $177, 177 for this wig, and it's a 30-inch wig. It's a straight, bone straight, because like most of the hairs that I have, they are body wave, curly, water wave, but not bone straight, right? Yeah, so this, my hair, I mean, this is a DIY, y'all. If you want to see that video, I'll put the link in the description of this video so that you guys can go ahead and check it out. Okay guys, it took me 4 hours, baby, 4 hours, but was it worth it? Hell yes. So you get me. Okay, so let's get into this wig. Okay, so this is a bag. Okay, it's just a regular wig bag, like nothing fancy about it. 100% human hair. Okay, and I think this is a HD lace. Hold on, y'all, let me get the info. Okay guys, so this is a 13 by 4 bone straight lace front wig, and it has HD transparent lace, and it is a Brazilian type human hair, but I don't think it has HD. Maybe transparent, yes, but not HD lace. Okay, so you know, they put it in a regular bag, and oh, they did not even bother to put any plastic on it. They just threw the wig in the bag. I mean, I decided to purchase this wig because of, what's her name? I don't remember if it's Brittany Rivers or something like that. I'll put her name on the screen, y'all. If I mispronounced her name or I said the wrong name, y'all forgive me. But yeah, I like watching her wig reviews on products, on wigs from Aliexpress, you know. She gives you the tea, okay? Whether it be good, whether it be bad, she just gives it to you. Alright, y'all, I'm trying to remove the neck from this. Okay, so here we go. So this is the hair. It's very long because of course it's 30 inches. It's very long, and this is a lot of hair. This is 150 density, right? 180 density, right? So it's not even 200, right? So this is a lot of hair, a whole lot of hair. So of course they have 4 combs in total, 2 at the front, 1 in the middle, and 1 at the back. Okay guys, I don't think I'm gonna use the middle one because, I mean, I might, but I don't know. Right, and also it comes with the lace to the back. I mean, I'm just gonna cut it off because I'm not gonna use it. And yeah, the lace now, it's pretty nice, I would say. I don't think y'all will be able to see that as good as I can see it, y'all, but the lace is pretty good. It looks pretty natural. I like the way that it looks. I mean, I'm still gonna pluck the hairline, but I'm not gonna do a lot of plucking since it looks really natural already. and the knots are very small to the front, and then you know it gets thicker when it goes further down to the back. But overall, y'all, I really love this wig. I don't think, yeah, like it's really nice. It's very nice. I'm not seeing any shedding so far. I mean, I haven't cut the lace or anything yet, but you know, it's really nice. Hopefully I'm gonna put this on for my birthday. I'm gonna install it myself because y'all know I like to DIY as much as you can to save some coins. Okay, we're not just about spending, we're about saving as well. So yeah guys, that's about it. This is a natural color, number 2 or a 1B, somewhere there about, you know, because I don't really do color. I mean I do, but it's just not for me. I don't really enjoy wearing colored wig compared to wearing natural or even black wigs, you know, because I feel like it suits me better. Um, what else can I say about this? Okay, so the total that I paid was 177 and 33 cents. You know, we don't count the cents, but it's 177 for a 30-inch 13 by 4. Yeah, I'm excited to install this for my birthday. Y'all know your girl's an Aquarian. Okay, Aquarian gang. If you're an Aquarian, drop some blue hearts in the comment section down below, and don't forget guys to like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. If this is somewhat helpful to you, you guys can let me know. But yeah, also for the hair company for this, I'll also be dropping their information in the comment section down below, so you guys can go ahead and purchase a wig if you need to or if you want to. So that's what the lace looks like when it's over my skin, you know. So I'm gonna have to, I never bleach my knots. I don't know, like probably for my birthday I might try to bleach my knots, but then I might really mess up, so I'm not really sure if I really want to do that. You get the gist. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Of course, once again, this is indeed your girl T McPherson. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys a lot. Thank you guys for the continued support. I really do appreciate it a lot. Okay, your efforts, your support does not go unnoticed. Okay, I love y'all so much. Once again, happy new year. I hope that this year will bring you lots of love, happiness, peace, and prosperity. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.